Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Natalie and you're on my channel Home Gardening. In today's video, I want to show you how I managed to grow tomatoes. Actually, it's balcony tomatoes from my own seed. I'm so sorry I haven't filmed how I gathered that seed from my tomatoes and how I sow them, but I hope every one of you knows how to actually plant the seed of tomatoes. So as you can see, my tomatoes have grown rather big and it's time to repot them to bigger pots. I have six tomatoes that have been growing rather big. They're large enough, healthy looking, and of course I growing them indoors, not outdoors, because I like that most. So in today's video I want to show you how I managed to grow tomatoes from a seed, and yeah, it's a high time to repot them to a bigger pots. I had only two pots in my place, so today we'll be transplanting only two of my tomatoes. The mix of soil I prepared is potting mix, sand, perlite, yeah, and clay, a little bit of clay, just because in that potting mix my tomatoes grows rather healthy, rather faster, and of course they produce more fruits or vegetables. Okay, vegetables, they produce more berries, so to say, on one bush. So I like that potting mix the most. So yeah, I just put on my gloves just to keep my hands clean and add the soil to a bigger pot. Don't forget, if you will be transplanting any of your plant, just don't forget to pull it out of the pot gently. Try not to damage the roots, of course, and just make a hole, put your plant in it, and dig it up with a soil, with additional soil. Of course, after transplanting my tomatoes, I don't water them for maybe 2 days. I don't want, just because my potting mix is rather messed, and I don't want the roots to burn or get raw, something like that. So I transplant them and water them only in a few days. A day or two will be enough, and then I will water them gently. Yeah, so this is how I managed to grow my tomatoes, and actually, I think I will not be growing any vegetables, or at least tomatoes, again, ever again, just because it's more easier to go to a grocery shop and just buy a few tomatoes for a dinner or for a salad. It doesn't matter actually, because it grows so slow for me. And yeah, this is how I transplant my tomatoes. Do everything very gently, try not to damage the roots, and of course try not to damage the plant. Actually, I like the process of transplanting. It's like a meditation for me. So yeah, guys, if you like this video, don't forget to give this video a thumb up. Please subscribe for more videos. Please subscribe if you want to see an update video. If you want to see how many tomatoes, how many berries I will grow on one bush. And yeah, This is a very funny process actually to grow something by yourself from a single seed. It's just very amazing. For me, it's very amazing. I like that thing doing. We'll be growing my tomatoes together. I will share with you all my nutritions that I add to soil, to a pot, how I water my tomatoes, where I keep my tomatoes, where I keep my plant on direct sunlight or not. Actually, don't you know? If you don't know, I will tell you. Tomatoes actually do not like direct sunlight because it may cause the leaf to burn. So try to shadow them or put them in not a place where you have direct sunlight, just because other way your plant may burn. Yeah, we are keep going transplanting my tomatoes. It's very easy to make using a gloves, just because something can be in a soil, some pests or spiders actually. I hate them. I don't know, I have a maybe I have a phobia, I don't know, but I have hate spiders. Also, I have few more plants new in my collections. Of course, I will film a video on them also. If you are interested, please leave me the comments in the comments below. Also, I have few begonia leaves, maybe you see over there, they are propagating. These sorts are just new, guys. I've managed to found new sorts of a begonia, Rex begonia, and of course I will film a video. These leaves are just like a gold for me, a treasure actually, because I've searching them for such a long period of time. Of course, I put some plates under the pots, and if I don't have any plate, I use a plastic bag. Why not? It's not for a whole time, it's just for some period of time. But in this way, it will not cause any mess in my home. It's very easy to use plastic bags actually. So yeah, I've transplanted only two for this moment. This is how they look now, and let's move on. So just let's take a look at my tomatoes. I've transplanted them, and one more I haven't transplanted yet, just because I don't have such a big pot for this moment. I need to buy one more pot like this and transplant them also. And just look at my tomatoes. They are almost oversized like my Schefflera is. Actually, they have the same pots. Yeah, no, tomatoes have bigger pot. Yeah. So I've transplanted them. I put them close to the direct sunlight. I don't want to put them on a balcony because, have you seen, even my geranium don't like living on a balcony. So they are my tomatoes are too precious for me, so I want to grow them indoor for this moment, and later on I will see, maybe they will be living on a balcony. I don't know yet, but I want to show you that my tomatoes are almost the same size as my Schefflera is. And actually my Schefflera is just incredibly insane. She's growing like insane. Just look at this leaf was a new one. Now she's growing this one, and now she's growing this small leaf. So almost every day, almost every morning, I wake up, come to visit her, and I see a new leaf almost every day. Of course, it's a joke, guys, but she's growing just insane, incredibly fast. And just that small leaves are so cute and actually funny. For me, for me, it's funny. It's like a palm with the fingers. So funny. I have to put a stick in it to make it more straight. So this is it for today. Later on, I will buy one more pot like this and transplant this tomato also to a bigger pot. And this is it for today. Now I'm going to wait for some flowers and of course some fruits. And of course I will make an update video on how is my tomatoes going on. See you very soon in my next video. Bye!